Hi friend, my name is Surajit and I am working as an assistant professor in AIDS department BB Raju Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. In this video, I am going to show you why you should learn the Python language in 2022 and what is its important. Right now, Python become the very important language for CSE student, for AIML student, for AIDS student, and so on. It is very much important in computer science in the current scenario. Friend, I think all of you know that the Python language introduced in the year 1991 and it became third position in 2015 for the most in-demand programming language around the world, and in 2022 it became at the first position in the most demanded programming language around the world. Friend, you know why the demand of the Python language is too much high? Because of its have some special characteristics, like Python language is the open source programming language and it have a very strong and growing community of computer and user. Except this, Python language is very simple and very easy to understand. It has a clean syntax which is much more easier from C language, from Java language, from C++ language, from PHP, from C Sharp, and so on. Python is the easier from other language. Except this, Python allow user to carry out object-oriented and functional programming. Except this, Python have another some advantage, like Python is generic. Generic means it has a large set of library. Using this library, you can easily implement a wide variety of tasks like website development, like build a apps, like backend API, like scripting, and so on. And it is the first choice for programmer, for software engineer, for data scientist, for data analyst. So this is the reason, because of its good characteristics. Except this, so friend, if you are looking for higher study, okay, then Python will help you a lot, because right now machine learning is the one of the important subject where researcher can implement their topic using machine learning, and in this case Python will help you a lot, because Python you can implement your data set using Python language only. Okay, using Python language you can work with a huge set of data. Except this, if you want to work with other things, then in this case you can get some advantage from Python only. Except this, if you are looking for a good job, like if you want to become a data scientist, data analyst, software engineer, and Python programmer, then you please study well about Python. Python language is the very much important and which helps you for obtaining good job, like someone who actually looking for data scientist or data analyst, then Python language is the best language for this type of student. Okay, thank you.